And then this thought, that's right on the surface of this entire passage of Scripture. We serve and we love others because we are served and loved by Jesus Christ. So Jesus is showing his disciples servanthood. And then he's going to tell them that the Spirit is coming to fill them with the power of God, and they're going to walk into the rest of the world like he has walked into the world himself. You're going to serve the church the way that I have served you. You're going to lead the church the way that I have led you. So we serve and we love because we are served and loved by Jesus Christ. This is one of those ways in which the Church of Jesus Christ, the faithful church of Jesus Christ, is radically different than the rest of the world, especially right now. So much of what drives our culture is profoundly self-centered. So much of our politics is really nothing more than just the vice of envy. Someone else has something and I hate them because they have it and I want it. It's envy and it's jealousy. It's self-centeredness on the grand national and international scales. This is just how our culture works. Sometimes what we call this self-centeredness of expressive individualism, that the world exists to allow me to express myself the way I want to express myself. No guardrails, no guidelines. The greatest sin in our culture is to tell somebody no. It's the greatest sin in our culture. Our culture is deeply and profoundly dysfunctional in its self-centeredness. And into that reality comes the Church of Jesus Christ, and we wash feet. We serve each other. We love each other. We're just different than the rest of the world.